Right, we are back. Uh, just check if the stream is working. Should be. Been a bit slow lately. Like it takes forever to start up. Yeah, but okay, it's working now. Great. Alright, so last time we did some stuff. And let's just take a look at it. So, just to refresh our minds. Okay, yeah, so we did a rough basis last time. We have sort of the composition done. We have the small island here with our water and the hills and the like the grass field. And I mean, I think it's getting there. Hi, thanks for joining the stream. I'm great, bro. How are you? And yeah, I just see some issues that will fix right away. Is the trees aren't supposed to go far outwards here, and this looks sort of like it's going down a slope and then like coming back up, which is not correct. So we're going to fix that stuff, and unfortunately I don't think the Cyclops problem is, well, my mic problem isn't fixed yet. I don't know. I'm probably still like lagging when it's rendering, which is annoying. But there's nothing I can do right now besides buying a new mic, and I don't really want to do that. It's probably, it should probably go away if I get like an interface and like an XLR mic, but maybe, or it's just Windows fucking around. I don't know. Okay, so let's see the problem. Wait, let's just turn this off. It doesn't need to be that accurate. The trees cover up most, well, pretty much 100% of the entire plane, so whoops, it doesn't really matter that much. But yeah, thanks for joining the stream so quick. That's very nice. It's very appreciated. Okay, let's try and make this a bit flatter here. Well, let's actually take it up to here. Just flatten it a bit, and then let's raise this up a bit. Yeah. But yeah, I'm doing great. Thanks for asking. Let's take another look. Yeah, I forgot to turn on the trees. Yeah, that's a lot better. I should have some type of sloping there, but let's set on the grass and see if that just helps covering up everything. Yeah, that's a lot better. Grass might be a bit too high. Yeah, the grass might be a bit too high. Let's maybe scale it down on the z-axis. Maybe 0.8. Might be a bit too much. Let's try this. Yeah, let's turn this off again. Okay, now let's think. Make the image a bit bigger for a second there. So maybe we can start grabbing like a tree, like a single tree, and put it in the front. We could do that. Just to work a bit more on the composition and make sure it's solid. So let's use Blender Kit for that actually. For a tree is what I wanted to search for. This looks good. Needs to be super high quality though, because we're like putting it up super close to the camera. Yeah, these look great. Yeah, these are some great assets though. These are super good trees. But yeah, these are definitely speed tree made. Let's grab, yeah, let's grab this one. I assume it will be super high res, so we might have to like use a decimate. Yeah, this is this is very high res, but okay, we can't really. Yeah, it's a shame it doesn't come with LODs. Okay, so let's look at our camera. Let's place this up so. And we might have to edit this tree a bit. Are there... Oh, okay, the branches are actually merged, so... Okay, we should probably get another tree. Maybe this one, yeah. This one looks better. Because in the reference we don't have any branches at the bottom. And it's important because we want to show off the island a bit. So maybe something like this. Yeah, that's okay. What we might want to do next is whoops. Let's try. I don't know if we have the correct foliage for this on the scatter library, but we need some like I don't know what you call it in English, but like the plants that emerge from the water. Not sure what the term here is. Let's just make a plane like this. And also the point of the live stream is first of all to show you how to make a really nice realistic landscape. But I think you'll also see from my workflow that I try to work really, well, not overdo it, but like shoot for a great result, but we do it very without like wasting too much time. Which you don't most of the time don't have. Like if you're doing a hobby project, yeah, you have infinite time, but when you're working like a production or something, you don't have enough time. You never have enough time actually, and you can't have enough time because if you like calculate with so much time, nobody's gonna hire you because you charge way too much. So it's really important to have like an efficient workflow and not like work forever on every detail that nobody cares about. It's like the result as like the final product is what matters and not not only the details. So yeah, don't overdo it. Okay, we have bushes, or we don't. I don't know. It's not giving me any results here. I think it's bugging a bit. Um, I don't think we have the. Maybe like a forest floor could work. Let me first find out how you call it. Like, what do you call like the thin water plants? Dang it, what are they called? Yeah, these ones. Cat tail. Okay. Yeah, exactly. Maybe Blender Kit has like it doesn't. Damn, that's like a what's the hell? That's unfortunate. I'm curious. Does Geoscatter have a pack for something like this? I'm in the add-on viewer, by the way. I don't know. It's not sharing it because I'm doing like a window share. I don't think there has to be though, right? There has to be like a cattail stuff. I'm sure there is. But I don't have any, so we might have to do it ourselves, or we find an asset. Let's take another look at the reference. I mean, it's not really cattail that goes there, right? It's like just weed. Yeah, honestly, I think we're gonna be we're gonna be super lazy here. We're just gonna go to preferences, and then I'm gonna just get a biopack that I have. Biopack, not biopack. I have the gardener pack. Maybe that has something. No, it is all too fancy. Yeah, I'm just gonna go to the bushes and get some of those. Let's try this. Yeah, yeah, that's exactly what I wanted. God dang it. I always forget you have to select it. You always have to select it in the side tab here. Let's disable this. Let's go here. Yeah, add the bushes. Great. Now we disable the rocks and stuff. Yeah, we don't need the forms either. I mean, these aren't really right, but I think what we can do is we can scale these up on this z-axis and make them look like that, and then we just pull down the scatter plane. These are also super high res. That's crazy. Is there a way to? Does this have LOD? Does just get? It has to have, right? Sure. I have used this add-on a lot, but not very in a super optimized way, if I'm honest with you. And I also want to change the random scaling. So if I set the probability to 0, it's still random scaling a lot. Change anything? Let's just see and look how this works in the random. I mean, the tree doesn't work. That's for sure. Let's just turn this off for now. I don't like how the tree looks at all, and these are way too big. Also, the scaling is completely wrong. So we'll turn down the uniform scale here. Here again, let's render this. Yeah, I mean it's looking alright. We'll have to change the color because there's lots of like dried out weeds here. So yeah, we'll just mix that up. Let's go back into Geoscatter. And I want to change the seed. Yeah, maybe something like this. I sand on the grass as well, so we can get like a better feel for it. Yeah, we're getting somewhere, but the colors are completely still off, but we'll fix that. Make the ref a bit bigger again, just take a look. So we definitely need to put trees on the left side there as well. So what we could do is we could just grab some of the mesh here and then merge it with the forest spawner, and now we get a forest there as well. Yeah, it looks alright. We also need to actually enable like the camera proximity, which is actually a super useful feature. I'm just trying to find it right now. Well, not proximity. What was it called? Yeah, just cam optimization, I guess. Great. This is an awesome feature. It's not great when you're like running an animation. Like, don't turn it on for like animation because the seed constantly changes if you have this enabled. For like a still frame, it's great. Yeah, looks good. Okay, and now what we'll do is we'll select this and we will copy this. Copy. Can I only copy the system? Well, I guess can I just whoops, that was the wrong one actually. I keep forgetting that. Then I have to reselect this. What was this called? Okay, let's duplicate this. Let's enable it and see. Does this even work? Yeah, this works. Okay, great. For some reason, it has like a weird noise that it shouldn't have. Ah, okay, there's a pattern. That's why. Got it. I didn't notice that. That makes sense. All right. Now I would like to change the color this asset, and I don't think I can do that here. I think I actually have to go in there and manually. This is annoying. Okay, so what we do is we search for the correct collection, which is this one. Select this object. Let's see if it made a new material. It didn't. Okay, that's interesting. Wait, oh no, we need to go here. Yeah. So I think these are still the same materials. Yeah. Let me look up something first. I think we have to manually change this. That's very annoying. Okay, so we need to make this more yellow. So let's go into render view here. Mhm. Oh, yeah. Mm-hmm. Yeah, that's great. Actually, why don't I just why am I doing it like this? I think these are linked. Why? Wait, why and how? How does it even work? Are they like? Ah, okay, they're the same like instance. Okay, that's so annoying. What then? Why? What? Why are they in two different collections? That's super annoying. What the fuck? Yeah, I don't really want to mess around with that right now. That's so annoying. I just want to make like some pushes. I think fine. I guess it's not really ideal. That's so obnoxious. Like, why? If I copy it, why would it make another? Like, why would I copy it in the first place? Like, so why is it connecting these? So how do I need to manually now? Oh, the correct. Um, I see. What if we? Ah, yeah. Okay, now it should work. Or no, of course not. Oh, that's annoying. I've never actually seen this before. How are these? I mean, they're clearly like an instance, but how do you have one instance in two collections at the same time? How does that even work? I've never seen that before. Um, and if I put it out of the collection, let's see if this. Yep, that's crazy and extremely annoying. So what if I make like a plane? I don't think G-Scatter has like a way to change the color without this annoying process. I don't think so, at least. Like even if you okay, that's crazy. And if I did like this, if I merge it with the plane, it should work, right? Yeah, it's considered a new mesh now. That's so annoying. And if I put it into the collection, yeah, okay. Wow. Okay. Damn. I hate that. That's so annoying. The fuck. Yeah, this is like at least I don't think there's another way to do this in Geoscatter. I haven't seen a setting yet where you can actually change the color of the leaves, which to me doesn't make sense because it's actually really easy. But I don't see a way to, like, I haven't found a way to change the color yet, so I don't think there's a way. Very strange. Um, yeah, that's the. Let's take these ones and let's reset the color on these. Like, let's take the color here. And then we take this one, we change this one, so let's. I think this was set to 4, this was set to 0.38. I'm not sure what this was set to. So I kind of just want to, for this one, I just want to use this one mesh here. So let's trash these ones. Yeah, great. Damn, that was so much extra work. That's crazy. Now this doesn't work anymore. That's just perfect. Just I deletes it. Damn. Why? It's so annoying. Come on, stop it. Okay, let's add instance and let's try the viewport selection. And now maybe it works. Oh, great. Wait, why? But why is there? Oh, is the transformation stuff not correctly applied? I swear this is really just completely annoying right now. I think we need to make a new system. Um, I think you can make a manual scatter with. Oh no, wait, no, that's not what I meant. I meant like yeah, a quick scatter, and then no. Yeah, apparently this just broke it. Wow, that's so annoying. I just want to change the color. Why does it have to be so difficult? Damn, that's so stupid. Like, do we really? Okay, I thought I could duplicate this, but I guess not. So I guess we have to add another system from the preferences. I hope this works. Are these connected now? Yes, they are. Why? Is there another way to do this? Like, I just want to have the same push, but without using the same instance. Is this not possible, or what? Like, that's getting really annoying right now. Um, that's frustrating to use. Like, I just want to change the color, man. But yeah, it creates a new collection, and I assume, yeah, these are connected now. Well, that's actually, wait. I get why it's done like this. It's more efficient, just the same instant. But why is there not like a button to? Isn't there a way to like, I don't know, like separate the instances? Is it like not possible to do that? And if I like when I delete them here, it deletes them. Does it delete them in the other collection? No. Okay. Perfect. Okay, let's see. So this has a different material, right? Yes. Yes. Okay. Good. So now we set this again to 0.38. Set this to maybe 1 and this to 4. And now let's see how this is just underwater. Might want to move that up. Or actually, while we're at it, let's just change this weird noise texture that we don't need. And let's set this to 3, I think it was. It looks a bit stiff when I scale it up so much, so we will have to change that. Perfect. Okay, yeah, that's exactly what I want. So let's go over here and change this up as well. I just want to like be able to control it, like um the density of green and like the dried out weed manually. So awesome. Now um this down to maybe two. Freeze way too much. Why is there still green ones? That's what I'm not getting right now. Oh, what? I thought I copied that. Why didn't it copy over? Yeah, that's way better. Uh, I feel like this floor should be a bit deeper. Yeah. Um, let's take a look at the reference pick again. Yeah, we can clearly see that the dead weeds are more like on the outer side, and the fresher ones are on the inner side. So we have to fix that as well. So we could do is we could actually just actually let's just split it like so. Let's copy this system and paste it here. Oops. Yeah, then we delete it from here. Yeah, great. Now we have a bit more control. Yeah, we can see they're like slightly tilted. go to rotation here and line. No, yeah, wait. I want to change the random rotation. Yeah, I want to change this, but is there a way to have like a global? Oh yeah, we can probably set this to like global. That's not how it should work, I believe. That's weird. Shouldn't they like rotate along the global axis? Isn't that what this feature would be for? Maybe down slope. And then we can like yeah, this doesn't this doesn't really work. Um hmm. What if we just wait? Why isn't this working now? This should totally work. Like, isn't this what a global axis is for? It's kind of the point. Um, yeah, I don't want to do. Maybe if we turn off random rotation completely. Yeah. Yes. Yes. I think so. Yeah. Okay. So I thought. Okay, that's weird that these affect each other so much. That's annoying. Okay, so I guess you just use this or this, and here you can like add a bit of randomness. That makes sense. Makes total sense. Okay, so we want to tilt this. Do the same thing here. Find it. Let's enable everything again, just so we can get a good look. Yeah, so the grass is definitely way too saturated, and we obviously need to start matching up all the other ones, so we'll do that now. Seeing now that the scaling is not correct, so let's change that. Starting to look decent, I'd say. Let's change the camera optimization, like the clipping, like culling or whatever. Um, let's try the FOV boost. Can we like just whoops? Was an accident? It's actually kind of cool way to animate this. But that's not what I'm looking for. I guess it's turned off for like final rendering anyway, so who cares? I want to add like bushes here, like right here. But yeah, we'll do that in a bit. Alright, I'm back. Give me a sec. Let me turn on some music, at least for myself. I don't want to get copyright strike. Yeah. Alright, let's get back to it. Okay, I want to do some bushes here, so we're just gonna, I guess we're gonna manual paint. Or is there a way to, wait, let me see. This is pattern, distance. Yeah, no, we'll have to do this manually, so we'll do a, oh right, I need to, okay. So let's open our asset browser. Or is it asset browser? Yeah, should be. Alright, it should, it should show me, okay, I guess not. It should show me geoscatter, but I guess that's not possible. let's try this another way. Just looking for the right bushes. Maybe these ones here. Okay, can I just add? Okay, let's just scatter the bushes. Yeah, those look good. Vertex manual. Okay, okay, that's good. We can still set this to manual. Perfect. And now we just scatter these here along the edge to the like forest. And then we can still tweak some settings. Set the manual mode. Yeah, that's quite a lot of pushes. We might need to reduce that. Uh, okay. Wait, isn't there a way to like change? Ah, that's so annoying. Okay, I guess we need to manually reduce the count again. Because I guess once you manually paint it, there's no way to. Points per indoor control F. Okay, I see. So let's set this to like 8. So we don't need like a full row of bushes. We look like super fake. Let's just try this. Let's see if it even makes like a huge difference, because I mean, isn't still fully what I wanted, but let's just run it and see. It looks. Yeah, okay, we can't even. Yeah, we need to scale this up for sure. Should be like bigger bushes. That's way too big. Yeah, something like this. Let's see how this renders. With the forest enabled, of course. What's this here? That's a bit confusing. Why is there like a huge tree there? Oh. Didn't I move this back? They should absolutely add the feature that you can select like the scatter plane and it immediately changes it here. I think it's way more annoying to having to change this here all the time. I think that's really not like good. I think they should change that, honestly. Uh, change. Let's go to. Still a bit unsure about the scaling of the trees that we have. They should be a lot bigger, but once I make them bigger, it looks a bit wrong. But let me take a look at the reference image. I mean, they are quite big here, so. But what we might be doing wrong here is maybe the scene, like the scale of the scene is wrong. So to fix it, let's just get a bit more depth into the image. So let's flatten this and drag this way further back. I'm doing this super like lazily, but it doesn't really matter. It's just a scattering plane. So since you want more depth, we'll have to go further back so that the trees in the back are obviously a lot smaller and that it looks like it's super far away. Let's set the scale back to like 0.3. It's getting a bit slow now. Michael, hello. Hi. Welcome to the stream. Enjoy my struggle with working with way too many instances. But it's like you're at a point when you're just too lazy to properly optimize everything because I'm not gonna use this scene for anything, right? It's not worth it. How are you? Thanks for joining the stream. Hope it's not lagging or anything. I'm just having a bit of trouble when I'm rendering. My mic makes some weird noises, I think. Be the creator. Hello. How are you guys? Thanks for joining the stream. Okay, let's enable everything again. I'll just take a look at how it looks in render view. It's getting there, but something I'm realizing is we need like another plane maybe in the back here that has super small trees. Just so we get a bit of that like depth. So let's actually disable this here. Make a new plane. Yeah, and let's make this plane in the back here and just scatter a few trees on there, and we just make them a bit smaller so that we, I guess, fake a bit of perspective. Because we don't really... I mean, you can, but we don't really always want to build like a one-to-one real scale environment, especially for like a still render, because it doesn't really make a lot of sense, right? You just make a massive scene, even if it's like totally unnecessary. So let's just call this forest to spawn or something. Can't type. Let's move this in the spawner collection, and then we select it and we go into the preferences, which you can see because I'm not streaming it. And I'm just using Geoscatter, which I can really recommend if you like to build scenes like this. Let's just looking for the right forest. Let's maybe add this one. And now we go to render view, and I'm just gonna try and match the scale to the actual image that we have as reference. Kind of minimal scale. It's looking great. Thank you. Thanks very much. We still have a lot to do, and I'll probably not finish it in the stream because I think I'm gonna finish it in the next stream. So we will have probably spent like 3-4 hours on this scene, which is already, you know, maybe a bit too much, but you know, it's always a process. It just takes time to make scenes like this. And I think that you lose the most time with just constantly enabling and disabling all the scatters that you have, and just waiting for the results just takes so much time. Guess I'm gonna do another test run now. Mm-hmm. So what really works well in the real image is that there's like a big cloud that casts like a like it casts like a huge shadow. And it just like separates off the front part of the trees and the back part very well. Oh, whoops. So let's try and maybe fake some, like what, fake some clouds and work a bit on the shading. I keep messing with OBS. I don't know what I'm doing. I just shouldn't touch it. I get I'm rendering one as we speak. Yeah, it's so much work. So I'm gonna, I guess I'm gonna make a big sphere. Are you using Geoscatter as well for your scene, or newbie? Did I really miss the old like way to add meshes? Like, why did they remove it? I hate this new. I hate the new Shift A and like searching for the object. Like, why did, like back then you could press Shift A, then M for mesh and C for cube or whatever. It's just gone. Like, why would they remove that? That was like one of the best features of the whole program that made like modeling for me at least 10 times faster. Now I have to go in and type in everything in, which is so much slower. Like, why would they why would they change that? I hope there's like a way maybe to re-enable it or something, or maybe there's an add-on that resets that. I don't know, it's just so annoying. Okay, I'm gonna make a big sphere so it kind of, I guess, fakes a cloud. I'll check where the lighting is coming from. Okay, from here, so we probably put it somewhere here. It's just rendered, I guess. Yeah, so that was a good guess. That should work, I think. Lana's not liking me right now. Uh, yeah, this is definitely too much. I'm wondering if I should make like should I do this in post maybe? I think I'll make the fake cloud in post. Actually, I don't think I'll actually do this in the scene because if I just put like a shadow blocker, like a light blocker in like this, the shadow is super dark, obviously. But I could make a real cloud, but that would be completely unnecessary. Like, and with a volume, with lots of bounces and stuff, would take forever to render. So I guess I'm kind of happy with this is turning out. Like semi happy, like 60% happy. Enable the grass again. I'll mess a bit with the lighting. Hmm. Yeah, overexposing the image a bit definitely helps with the realism, but we'll also do it in post, obviously. So yeah, this is starting to look decent. We're at what 1 hour 18 minutes. So I think what I'm gonna do next, and then I'll call it a day, is I'll add some rocks and I'll make the sand more detailed. Because maybe let's take a look at it again. Yeah, there isn't any sand visible. I completely missed that. I actually worked on the sand last time. I don't know why the grass is overlapping here now. Maybe we need to pull down the water a bit. No. Wait, where's the sand? Pretty sure I made sound like sand last time. Yeah. Yeah, that's kinda it. Yeah, it should be more like this. I'm pretty sure. Yeah, whatever. Let's, I guess, redo it. I don't know. I'm pretty sure I worked on the sound last time. All right, let's just try and maybe add some like rocks stuff. Do we have a multi-rest here? Oh yeah, okay, we do. Good. Yeah, I did some sculpting here. You can even see it. What? Let's raise the water level again. And let's turn off the grass because Ubud is super laggy. So we'll add some sand, we'll add some rocks. I don't know if the rock brush is really working here. Maybe actually let's try a sand brush, even though it's not really sand, but I guess it's better than nothing. Mm-hmm. Yeah, we'll be adding some rocks actually. Damn, I keep forgetting this. I hate so much that you have to enable. Yeah, that crashed. That's good. Should go that. It's reasonable now. Alright, now let's try this again without it hopefully crashing. It's just crashing. Yeah, okay. It works again. God dang it, this is so annoying. I'm gonna add maybe gravel actually, not rocks. See if that works. Set this to manual. Manual mode. Let's see how if the scatter rate is okay. Yeah, that's perfect. Let's just paint a bit here. Gotta make sure we also paint a bit under the water here, so because we probably can see a bit under the water. I'm actually thinking if we actually are going to use like a body of water and not just a plane, because then we get some volume absorption and stuff. So maybe we'll do it like that. Let's run that. Can't really see the gravel. Some odd reason. Oh, it's turned off. That's odd. Please don't crash. Uh, great. Okay. Okay, so it places like that's a bit weird. That's weird that it does it like that. Like it scatters, not single gravel stones. So like it scatters very obvious, like packs of rocks. But whatever, I guess. Does the sand even have sand material? What's the forest looking so weird, by the way? Well, like We're getting there slowly, but I mean, this is like a very tedious process. It's just the way it is. Yeah, we're getting there. That's great. That's enough progress for today. Next time, yeah, we'll just have to refine a few things, but I think we'll finish it next stream and call it a day. I'm happy with the forest. We might like want to add more bushes to like cover up the seam here. So we have to improve the sand. We'll have to see if we can make the water look less like weird. um, get some better reflections on the water. It's way too ripply right now. And yeah, the transition between sand and grass is very weird. And then the left part on the island, I don't know how much time we want to spend on that because we will probably cover it up mostly with like a tree or something and just call it a day as well. But yeah, thanks for watching the stream, and I'll see you next time.